This is Archie. Archie lives here. He's the best dog in the world, and I love him very much. Come on out, Archie. See the garden. Woo, working on things. Yard's a mess. Ooh, new hoses this year. Fancy deal. Oh, Archie's doing the spins. Do the spins. Do it. Archie. Archie. Oh, yard. Citrus. Calendula. Citrus. Lots of watermelons and tomatoes. Cutting around planting. A whole bunch of late peppers. I got a Jer collection from Baker Creek, so I got every single variety. So I got a ton of stuff going. I've been away for a few days at work, so this has been unattended to. And I had a massively hard time with eggplant this year. I started them on the ground and they got eaten alive, and I knew a few would rebound, so oh man, I might only have 30 eggplant plants this year. Tomatoes, squash, some die-off. Got the new fence up. Rose of Sharon hedgerow. Strawberries. 5-in-1 apple tree that is virtually girdled. I'm going to be bringing this one back. Basically just growing Zion wood off of it now, and I will be chopping it down because it's too damaged up top and letting whatever grows back from the bottom. Asian pear tree, 20th century, doing pretty well. I thinned so many of these off. Oh my god, I had like 45 million Asian pears on here, and we're down to a manageable number. Got some herbies, some Korean blue hyssop, Moldavian dragon head. We got some sweet marjoram, little sage boy, borage. Looking cool. Bees working it, buddy. Do it, man. Do it, buddy. Work it. The fig. This is the Chicago Hardy fig. Made it through the winter last winter, and then the -3 just whomped on it. Ugh. -3, plus it was like a 3-week cold snap. These are what I call the K-dot melon. It's actually like the Crimson 180. It's the big Baker Creek melon. 2 of these gets up to like 220 pounds, trying to grow some big boys. I had some giant melons on this hugel last year. Raspberry patch boomin', Jacqueline and Himbo top. Tennessee mountain fig. I had some really nice lilies in there, daylilies, and some stargazers popping in, the latris popping in, coming around, a little bit of flowers. This is a brown turkey fig that is a year younger than the other 2, and it died to the ground and is coming back. Some marigold, lots of variety of squash. I have about 50 little plants planted out here. Some mint, another 20th century Asian pear, 2 of them. Some yarrow. Little damson plum that grew back from one tiny stalk. Thyme. My toothache plant, which I have several of, has been getting eaten, but it keeps coming back. A lot of stuff getting eaten. There's more toothache plant. I think the gophers are hooked on it. This is a melty plum. This is the fruit cocktail tree. Super huge, super huge. These are all pine berries. My stash multiplied itself 12 times and it's going crazy. Sunflowers have been getting decimated, but I still have a ton. I planted a lot and a lot of varieties, every variety of Baker Creek. This is a Burbank plum that is one of the deer's favorite, so it keeps coming back from a little bit for me, which is cool. It's working. More chewed off sunflowers. My herbies going. Here, some plantain. I think that's burdock. Oyster leaf, that's what that is. Coming on. Still some spring raspberries, that's cool. Hanging in there. I don't know what that is. I forget what that is. Might be the lion's tail flower, I'm not sure. Watermelon. That's a bunch of calendula. Got a lot of calendula and marigolds popped in here and there. These are some Duke's blueberries. Little rhubarb under the peach tree. More borage. This is the Burbank. I got 2 Luther Burbank items. He's a famous cultivar dude. Some more sages. Asparagus bed. This is a moonglow pear, and this is another one of the deer's favorite. Got girdled with something coming back. Fine. 5-in-1 peach, 5-in-1 plum, Rose of Sharon. Got a bunch of blueberries going. Might need water. These are a bunch of Job's tears. That's what those are. Kind of cool. PJ hydrangea, chamomile. I've been getting some chamomile flowers. Has been fun. That's Thai red roselle. Korean blue hyssop. No, that's the Maldivian dragonhead. Got mugwort. Got the wormwood going. Woo! This is a Nanking cherry. And these are the sand cherries, and I got some more pumpkins growing back here. Compost bin. All the next half of the food forest. This is a kefir pear, and do I still have any kefir pears? No, they've all been eaten by squirrels, I assume. And same thing, this 5-in-1 pear. And tomatoes, and my suckle pear. That's about 50 tomato plants in here, all different varieties. And Archie, maybe we're gonna go give Archie the hose again. He loves the hose, oh boy. It is his favorite.